Hi everyone, let's continue one more session. How we can conduct research using Python. So that was the motive. And earlier, number of the viewers they had asked, ma'am, how we have to set directory. So this video is specifically focusing on how you are going to set directory. Or if let's say one directory you had already set and now you want to change your directory from one directory to another directory you want to move. So you can change in a one single command. So let's start. And I'm going to share one of my screen. Let's say I'm going to show you this is the my Python script. And in this Python script, you could see there's the one file is already open. That is the regression file, right? So I just want to know. So here is I had put it some commands. First of all, what we have to do, I want to know what is this directory, where is this file is saving, right? So what I will do, let me go there and I will be pasted here. Import, first of all, what we have to do, import operating system. Then we have to, or we can do it, you can just Control X and first operate, run this import operating system. Then after that, you are going to print this operating system get CWD. What is my CWD stands for current directory, right? So let me run this. So it is showing my current directory is in the D drive, right? Let me increase my size. So this is my current directory, documents and way, right? There's the in the D drive one folder documents, and that is the name of this folder, and way 6 September. Under this is the Python script, one of the folder. In this, the Python script, there's the one more folder, plot charts, then regression and working. Right. So I don't want this directory, right? I want to change my directory. So how would I have to change? And simply I'm going to use both these things, how to change my directory. And I will show you another example also. And I will paste this here. Operating system change directory. First one is first we have to focus on this. Operating system ch direct dir means change directory and r means replaced. And within the inverted commas, I have put it, you can see documents and with the same what new directory I want, right? So let's say change directory. I don't want to this one, right? What I will do, I'm just deleting this part. So now you could understand. Suppose I need another directory because that is already saved. Control X, right? So what I will do, I will go to my folder, and these are the folders is already there. Let's say this folder is already I'm using. This one is the plot chart, and I don't want to use current folder is plot charts regression. So I don't want to use this folder. I want to use this folder, right? So what I will do, just a moment, right? This is the path you can copy. This path you can copy, and you have to paste here. What I will do, paste here, and I'm put it Control V, and now simply I would execute this command, right? And then after that, what we have to just copy this and paste it here, right? And I want to check my current directory. So now you can see earlier we were in that particular directory. Now you can see my directory is changed now. Earlier I was working in this particular directory, Python scripts, plot charts, and regression. And now I have changed my directory because all the files, let's say, those are the supporting files, I put it in this folder. So I want to work in this directory. So this directory is changed. So let's say come to the home, and one more file, we have to do exercise on the one more new file that I'm going to open from my home page. And after that, I'm going to change my directory. So let's say I am using, let's say, this is the, let's say I'm going to use, this is the two-way ANOVA. Right. A moment I had opened this my two-way ANOVA, this is my file, right? Or simply what we have to do, I'm just closing this and I'm opening one more new thing. I'm going to use one new notebook. And this is my new notebook, and I'm going to rename this. That would be, let's say, I'm saying that is the demo of change directory. I'm giving this change directory. Change directory. Let's say I have renamed this particular file, and what I want. Simply I would what I will do it. Same thing we have to do. First, what we have to do, import operating system. Let's say import operating system. And simply what we have to do, we have to run this. Why it is command? Because that's the most important thing, that is very case sensitive, right? Import, this one is the, let me, why? Because we have not given other commands also, right? What is this? These are the commands, right? Import operating system, because before that other commands also we have to give. So what I will do, I'm using, that is the two-way ANOVA file, and what I will do, simply I'm writing here, it is import what operating system already, because I had already imported other pandas and pandas numpy, right? We had already done. You can see here, import pandas as PD, import struts model as SM and states model, etc. So now I want to check, this one is the print. Simply I will go there, and what I will do, print my operating system. What is my current directory, right? What I will do, and I will go there, Control V, and I want to check what is my current directory. So you can say this is my directory, C user Ashulekha, right? But in this particular folder, I do not have other supporting files, right? So I want to change this directory. So what I will do, simply I'm going to use, here it is, operating system change my directory, right? So whatever directory I need, I have to set first directory, because I don't want this directory. So maybe I'm going to use another directory. So let me go to my folder, and let's say this time I need this directory, right? So I have to select this, and moment I will select this, Control C, copy, and I have to, because simply path you are going to define here, and I will change, Control V. And now path is changed. Earlier it was the plots, and now documents, Anway 6 September 2025, Python script 39, and etc. Because I have taken IIT Roorkee session and GNIOT Noida session. So at that time I had created this folder. So I want to use this folder, that is the Python scripts are put it here. So let me execute this, run this, and after that, simply I would like to say Control C, Control V, and now I would like to execute this, and now you can understand my directory is changed. Now you can see this is my new directory defined. Earlier I was working in this directory. So I hope you understand how, number one, two things. Number one, how to check your directory. Means I do not know, once I had opened my file, I do not know where I'm working. What is my set directory earlier? So I forget it. So this one is the how to check. And after that, I find if it is comfortable to you, then go ahead in that same directory. If suppose I do not want to work in that directory because my supporting files, Excel files, etc., those I have to import in this Python. So that is not available. So what I have to do, I have to change my directory. That is the specific directory where I want to work. I have to change. So I hope this video would be helpful to you. Stay tuned. Keep watching.